marshmallows. Next, the malt powder. Now the cocoa powder. Lastly, the baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix everything together. Mix the butter and sugar, then stir down the bowl. Add the egg and then the vanilla extract. Now add the dry ingredients. Now my favorite ingredients, marshmallows and chocolate chips. Mix in the oatmeal. Scoop the batter into balls and flatten them lightly with a spoon. Add more marshmallows. Now we are ready to bake them. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Don't they look delicious? Would you like to try them?